Hi, this is Jody. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with another book review. So these are three little paperback books, but it's Read with Dick and Jane. We see Go, Go, Go and Go Away Spot. These are so cool. So let me zoom in a tad and let's go through these. The reproductions, I'm sure. So of course, Read with Dick and Jane, we see it's a Grosset and Dunlop book. So the ISBN number is 0-448-43408-3. So Dick and Jane are just awesome books. This one is, of course, reproduced 2004. So some of the original is 1956. So if you're lucky enough to get the 1956 edition, that would be super. But as you know, Dick and Jane are just wonderful reader books and are fantastic to use in journals. So even though they're paperback, they're super cool. They just bring you back to your childhood. So yeah, these are awesome. And there's several of them. So that one's We See. This one is Go, Go, Go. This one is it the same? No, it can't be the same ISBN number. Nope. So this was 0-448-434-05-9 for this one. And same thing, I believe it is 2000. Okay. This is the exact same, but it's missing the date. So this one says 2004. Huh, this one says 1984, but I'm sure it's 2004 because it's like the same. Okay, so this one, so let's take a look. So this one's all about the little wagon and the little scooter car. Roller skates. Huh. Boats. I've had one of these before. This is the second time I've got one of these, and they're fantastic. The only thing about these paperback ones is that they're glued in pages, so you would have to, tape the pages together or sew them together. This is Read with Dick and Jane, Go Away Spot. And this one is 0-448-43404-0. And this one doesn't have these. It just says 1984. Okay, well, maybe it is then. So Jane and Puff, really cool. So it's about the cat. I haven't had this one before, so really neat pages. Love the Cocker Spaniel. Oops. Dick and Jane books are always fun. Okay, and then I forgot to mention the size, which is this paperback. It's 6 inches by 9. So these are three great Dick and Jane books. So there you go. Thank you so much for joining me and have a great day. All right, bye.